If you plan on taking music seriously, overall you're going to have way better results in an acoustically treated room. Today we're going to be looking at the Pro Acoustic Wave Room Bass Trap Kit. And also I'm going to be giving away the Kali Audio IN-UNFs, which are some really great budget speakers. All you basically got to do is like, subscribe, and comment down below, is your room acoustically treated? Are you still using phone? Let me know. For a while now, I've been using Prime Acoustic London 12s paired with extra bass traps from Prime Acoustics, and they have been working really great for me, but those are 2-inch panels. So technically you don't really remove all the bass frequencies like you really want, even though they call it bass traps. Personally, I have an issue around 136 hertz, and honestly, I think it might be getting into my vocals. I'm not sure, but I want to remove that issue. So I know that there's more work that needs to be done with just having these panels on my wall. Shout out to Sweetwater for sending me these Pro SoCal acoustic panels. These are 4-inch panels, which basically means that they should give me way better results on lower frequencies. For the price of these panels, if you just opt to get 4 of these panels, that's about $1,000 right there. So I honestly feel like these are really affordable for the average consumer. When you order this, you basically get this big box. 2 can fit in one of these boxes here. I personally went with the stone color because I wanted it to blend in with my walls a little bit, especially when the sun goes down. They tend to kind of blend in with the walls a little bit more than a black color, making it feel like the room is bigger than it actually is. I couldn't find a video to put this together, maybe because this is such a very new product. To install these, grab out your measuring tape and at least measure out 14 inches from each corner. Make sure you read the instructions because you're going to want to know in detail how to set everything up. It does come with these little cards here to help you know exactly where to drill into the panel. And yes, you're going to want to drill inside the panel. And you're going to want to drill inside the wall as well because you're going to need a strong connection to keep these up. It basically clamps into the wall by using these metal clamps here that basically interlock into each other. If you can understand how it clamps in, you're going to have a great time with understanding how to put everything together. After I set up my panels, I basically started listening to some music to see how much better is it. And honestly, I could definitely say it sounds so much better in my room now with these 4-inch panels in each corner. I'm not able to put one panel on the other side, on my left side. So I just basically hung it straight up and to see exactly if that's gonna work out or not. I could build out like a wooden stand or something like that and install the clamps into that. But for now, I decided to lay the left side flat for now. I was able to hear so much more detail in my lower end. I decided to remove my sub from my main speakers. And now I just feel like I get a better representation of what is actually down there. I'm basically able to hear everything so much better because of these Pro Acoustic panels. To see exactly what I was hearing, I whipped out my Sonar Works and started seeing exactly what kind of results was I getting. Took some time to measure out my room, but once you get this done, this is a really worth it process. So here you can see this is what my frequency response was before I started using these panels. Now I have these panels installed into my wall. This is what I'm getting. As you can see, I'm getting way less frequencies in my 136 hertz, which means this is a little bit more flatter than what I was getting before. So I'm so impressed with these panels and I'm so happy that this is the results that I'm getting. Maybe I'll get even better and closer results if I close off this other half that I have with some movable panels that are probably connected to like some wooden stands or something like that. Let me know if you think these panels are worth it. Don't overthink it, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes if you can't even afford some panels, man, go with the foam if that's what you can afford, you know what I'm saying? Trust me, the foam is better than nothing. You know, you're probably only working on the higher frequencies, but if you have a little bit of money to spend and you know, you want to get a little bit more professional results, definitely check out the Pro Acoustic panels, specifically their bass traps, especially to remove those lower frequencies if you're having those type of particular issues. Let me know in the comments what kind of panels you're particularly using right now, and if you're even using any acoustic treatment right now. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. You guys stay safe. Peace.